Alright, the wind is really bad today, so we're gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna go on the other side of where we've been hunting in hopes of finding a spot to kind of squish back up into the trees. I got on my 3D suit. If that doesn't work, I've got another spot. There's the ground blind. Don't really have anywhere to put the camera. So we're gonna set up this tree like 38 yards, 35 yards from that corn pile. So the wind is kind of in my face, so we'll see. It's gonna be a tough shot. Everything would have to align right for this to work this evening, so guessing when I ranged it, I bumped a limb or something. Yeah, I ranged it at 45. That's definitely a 55-yard shot, so it's a little bit further back than I'd hoped. That was still pretty cool. Very cool. Not a bug, I guess. Let's see if I can find my arrow. I can't do anything but kind of laugh and just have a good time about that hunt right there. I didn't have anything set up for a east wind, and that's my fault. But had an east wind the past 2 days. Yesterday I was in on that ground blind, had a doe and a yearling blow at me, and then today I went back. I was gonna go try out this other spot, and I was like, you know what, I have this Leafy suit. I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna go over there, and I'm gonna sit up over on the west side of that blind. I'm gonna scratch out an area. And I scratched out an area that I thought I had ranged at 45 yards from the feed pile, the corn. And I was off by about 10 yards. So there's a huge difference between 45 and 55 yards whenever you're shooting with a bow. And I missed big time on that deer. So it was definitely a fun hunt. These two doe came out and ranged them again and hit 45 again. And I think I was bumping. There was a little some bushes where the deer were kind of standing, and I think I was hitting that bush, and it was a little bit of an optical illusion. So I knew they looked a little further than 45, and they were definitely further than 45. So ranged it again, stood up after that, after the deer had already taken off, and it was definitely 55 yards, maybe even 58 yards. So, but anyway, it was a super fun weekend. Adam had a interesting weekend as well, as he spent the night in his deer stands. He had some bucks coming in super early in the morning, and it just made sense to do that. So he took the deer stand challenge to the extreme and stayed the entire night.
I'm gonna stay quiet in the box stand, sleep in there all night, and wake up in the morning and hopefully they'll be there.
We'll be coming back at you.